Hey, what's up, Shiba Inu holder? In this time, absolutely the coin is very badly falls down, but we discuss about the target of Shiba Inu coin. Can in July they will give you a profit? Can they will give you, my friend, a very huge profit? Yes, absolutely, 0.5 USD dollar. Can this is possible to they will hit now? Yes, my brother, we completely discuss in this video, but kindly you need, my friends, to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification, and don't forget to like this video. I told you, my friend, in last 3 days you can see this coin is in the loss. They cannot take a very huge jump now. They cannot hit the resistance line, my friend, after this point. And definitely, my friend, when every coin will very badly falls down. So therefore, one thing I want to tell you to please note this. This time, my friend, all crypto market is very badly falls down, completely dumps down. So therefore, this time, my brother, Shiba Inu is also falls down. But holders don't see the short fail, because after a short fail, they will also wake up and they will move up for now. So I hope in upcoming time the price will be increasing, but just in only that's all need your participation now. So I hope my brother participation mean if you are starting investing, so they will move up for now. So invest now. I hope they will give you a good profit. Allah Hafiz, take care. See you next time. Shiba Inu holder, please take care.